Today is a World Press Freedom Day. World Press Freedom Day was started by the UN General Assembly in December 1993 in accordance with recommendations by UNESCO General Conference. This particular date, 3rd May, was chosen to coincide with the anniversary of the Declaration of Windhoek. Windhoek Declaration is a statement of press freedom principles by African newspaper journalists in 1991. The declaration was produced at a UNESCO seminar promoting an independent and pluralist African press held in Windhoek, the capital of Namibia, from 29th April to 3rd May 1991. This special day is meant to be a reminder to governments about their needs to commit to a free press. It also serves as a day for media professionals to reflect on the issue of press freedom, professional ethics, and other roles.